Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to unlock ParkMobile account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The first thing that you need to do is check the reason for locking. Accounts can be locked for reasons such as too many failed login attempts, suspected fraudulent activity or overdue payments. Be sure to identify the root cause. Then next thing is to head over to your app, open up the app and then tap on the settings on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you're here, what you need to do is click on or tap on sign into my account. And once you enter here, you will find an option that says forget password. Simply tap on that forget password, and once you do that, all you gotta do is enter your registered email address, follow the password reset instructions sent to your mail. The next thing that you can do is head over back, then on the browser simply type in ParkMobile support and then tap on the first link that is shown to you. And once you are there, if resetting your password does not work, you can simply call ParkMobile's customer support as well. So head over down, and once you are here, what you need to do is just simply tap on submit a request right here. And once you do that here, what you need to do is ensure a timely response. Simply tap on this box and then tap on ParkMobile meter payments or app support, any of the options. And once you do that here, what you need to do is type in your email address, then subject, and on the description simply type in the reason for why you have been locked. And once you do that, simply select the issue type as well, like account cancellation or account charge. Follow the instructions and then tap on submit. And once you do that, after a couple of days, your account will be unlocked. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.